So friends, this is our first help video on CircuitPro, an electrical circuit draw software. To give you a brief description of the software, you can design any type of electrical circuit like schematic circuit, power circuit, control circuit, auxiliary circuits, single line diagrams, SLDs. This software has shapes. You can draw different types of shapes and you can add electrical symbols. If we talk of shapes, what is a shape? Shape is a line, a rectangle, a circle, a triangle, a pie, a arc, text. Suppose if you are adding a line, a power line, like RYB, you have to display the RYB. So you can draw a line, you can change the color to red, to yellow, to blue, any color you can change. You can change this thickness. Suppose you are going to draw a power circuit. So for power circuit, you can change the thickness of the wire. This facility is there in the software. You can change the color of the wire. So you can draw vertical lines, you can draw horizontal lines. Depends what type of requirement is there while you are drawing a circuit. Similarly, you can draw rectangles, any filled rectangles. Actually, this is your decision when you are drawing a circuit, what shape you need. So accordingly, you can select the option, you can set their properties like thickness, color, etc., and you can draw that shape on the screen. Similarly, now suppose you have drawn three lines, R, Y, B, and neutral also, R red, Y yellow, B blue, and black neutral. Now you want to add the symbols, a switch, a fuse. Switch means maybe ACB, maybe MCCB, maybe MCB, any symbol, maybe contactor, electrically controlled contactor also. So all these symbols are already there in the software. We have added around 1000 plus symbols in the software, and you can use those symbols while you are using the software, while you are designing a circuit. If you don't find any symbol in the library, there is a tool, inbuilt tool called symbol creation tool. You can use that tool and you can design your symbols as per your requirement. Even if you find an MCCB or ACB or a contactor and you want to design the same ACB or MCCB or a contactor or any other switchgear as per your design requirement, you can do that. You can design that symbol and you can save it and you can use it forever. Likewise, you can add symbol, text on the screen. You can rotate these text lines by 90 degree as per your design requirement. Similarly, suppose you have drawn a circuit, a dual circuit, and there are around say 4 or 5 dual starters in your circuit. So you can copy paste all the components of a starter, say dual starter, like you have a contactor, a MCCB, a power overload relay, OLR, then a motor electrical symbol, then maybe any other symbol also. So you can there is a selection tool, and you can select all these symbols in one go, and then move all these symbols to next location. So then you need not to add the symbols every time for a new dual starter. You can copy, once you have drawn one dual starter, you can copy all the symbols. सारे के सारे symbol आप copy कर सकते हैं उसके अंदर और उनको आप फर्दर मूव कर सकते हैं. आप एक सेट ऑफ ड्यूअल ड्रॉ करें 2 सेट ऑफ ड्यूअल्स ड्रॉ करें, 3 करें, 4 करें, 5 करें, ये आपकी चॉइस है। आपको उनको मूव करना है, यू कैन मूव ऑल दोज सिंबल्स, आइदर ड्यूअल की हम बात करें या सारे के सारे सॉफ्टवेयर के जितने भी कंपोनेंट हैं उसके अंदर उनको आपको मूव करवाना है, तो आप उनको सेलेक्ट करके मूव करवा सकते हैं। आपको उनको डिलीट करवाना है, डिलीट करवा सकते हैं। कोई सिंबल गलती से आपका बाय मिस्टेक डिलीट हो गया है, आपके पास कंट्रोल जेड का ऑप्शन है, कंट्रोल जेड अनलिमिटेड ऑप्शन काउंटर है उसके अंदर। आपने मान लीजिए 50th तक बैक में जाना है, आप कंट्रोल जेड यूज कर सकते हैं। रीडो को यूज करना है, आप ये आपका कंट्रोल जेड आपका अंडू है। आपको उस कोई सिंबल आपने ऐड किया, आपने उसको अंडू किया कंट्रोल जेड से, आपको दोबारा उसको लेके ऐड करना है, तो आप रीडू करेंगे, कंट्रोल वाई करेंगे, तो आपका सिंबल दोबारा उसके स्क्रीन पे आ जाएगा, आपको दोबारा उसको सेव कर सकते हैं। सो इसके अंदर हमने कंट्रोल जेड कंट्रोल वाई का बहुत एक आपको एक प्लस एक आपको फीचर दिया है। और कितने भी काउंटर, किसी भी काउंटर तक इसके अंदर जाता है, इवन 50 का 100 तक जा सकते हैं, कोई लिमिट नहीं है इसके अंदर हमारी। तो ये आपका बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल। कोई चीज़ आपकी गलती से डिलीट हो गई, आप उसको दोबारा ऐड करना चाहते हैं, आप कर सकते हैं। कोई राउंड आपके मल्टीपल आपके आपने एक ड्यूअल सेलेक्ट कर लिया, ऐड कर दिया या डिलीट हो गया, आप उसको दोबारा ऐड करना चाहते हैं, आप कंट्रोल जेड ऑप्शन यूज करके उसको आप यूज कर सकते हैं। तो ये सारी फीचर्स हमने इसके अंदर दी हुई हैं। इसके अलावा आपका इसके अंदर फिर जब आपका सर्किट आपका पूरा हो जाता है, then you have to add the numbering on the wiring lines. So control that the tool is there to add numbering. You can prefix L, R, Y, B, any alphabet, English alphabet, and you can start your numbering from 1, from 10, from 101, from 201, as per your requirement, as per your design requirement. You want to remove all the complete numbering, you can there is a button on the tool remove, you click that button and all the numbering would be removed. Suppose you have removed this numbering by mistake, आपने गलती से इस नंबरिंग को रिमूव कर दिया है, press your control Z and your numbering will reappear. So this feature we have added in this software. इसके अलावा फ्यूचर के अंदर जो और हम इसके अंदर ऑप्शंस ऐड कर रहे हैं, लाइक बिल ऑफ मटेरियल। जो आपने एक सर्किट ड्रॉ किया है, हर सर्किट के अंदर जितने भी आपके इलेक्ट्रिकल सिंबल्स हैं उनको आप उनकी स्पेसिफिकेशन स्पेसिफाई कर सकते हो। स्पेसिफिकेशन मींस किस मेक का वो आपका एक एसीबी है, उसकी रेटिंग, करंट रेटिंग क्या है, उसका कैटलॉग नंबर क्या है, उसका प्राइसिंग क्या है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली इसके अंदर बिल्ट इन लाइब्रेरी है, उसके अंदर आप जाकर उसको सेलेक्ट करके इनको आप लोड कर सकते हैं। इंडिविजुअल हर सिंबल को आप लोड कर सकते हैं। लोड करके आप बाद में हमारा जो नेक्स्ट अपडेशन इसमें आएगा, आप उसका बिल ऑफ मटेरियल भी जनरेट कर सकते हैं। इसके अलावा आपने कोई इलेक्ट्रिकल प्लेट डिजाइन करनी है, ड्यूअल स्टार्टर की प्लेट डिजाइन करनी है, या आपने कोई स्टार डेल्टा स्टार्टर की प्लेट डिजाइन करनी है, तो आप वो भी इसके अंदर डिजाइन कर सकते हैं। ये हमारा नेक्स्ट अपडेशन में रहेगा, अभी उसको थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, बट वो उसके अंदर आपको बाद में जो नेक्स्ट हमारे अपडेशंस जो हम प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं और जिस पे काम हमारा चल रहा है, ये हमारा फर्स्ट वर्जन है और वर्किंग है, बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहा है, हमने ऑलरेडी उसको टेस्ट कर लिया है। फिर भी कोई दिक्कत आती है तो हमारी सपोर्ट आपके साथ हमेशा रहेगी। और ये जो हम हेल्प वीडियो आपके लिए बना रहे हैं, अभी आप देखेंगे आगे हम आपको हर चीज़ एक्सप्लेन करेंगे मेरी इस वीडियो में, मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन के बाद। लाइन कैसे ड्रा करनी है, लाइन का कलर कैसे चेंज करना है, लाइन का थिकनेस कैसे चेंज करनी है। लाइन मीन्स शेप, एनी शेप, रेक्टेंगल, ट्राइंगल, सर्किल, पाई, आर्क, एनीथिंग, टेक्स्ट, कैसे इनको आपने ऐड करना है, कैसे इनके कलर चेंज करने हैं, कैसे इनका फॉन्ट साइज चेंज करना है, कैसे इनकी थिकनेस चेंज करनी है, कैसे इनकी प्लेसमेंट करनी है, कैसे आपको इनको स्क्रीन के ऊपर मूव करवाना है, कैसे आपने इसका हेडिंग इंसर्ट करना है। तो सारी चीज़ें आगे आप नेक्स्ट जो हमारे वीडियोस आ रही हैं, इसी वीडियो के अंदर आगे जो हेडिंग्स हमारे आ रहे हैं उनके अंदर आप देखेंगे कैसे सिंबल्स ऐड करने हैं, कैसे आपने एक डीएल स्टार्टर कंप्लीट करना है, कैसे आपने पूरे के पूरे डीएल को कॉपी करना है और एक नेक्स्ट डीएल ऐड करना है, कैसे आपने पूरे के पूरे डीएल स्टार्टर को मूव कर पूरे ऑल दी कंपोनेंट्स को मूव कराना है। वो कंपोनेंट चाहे वो इलेक्ट्रिकल सिंबल्स हो या आपकी शेप्स हों, वो सारे के सारे आपके मूव करें, कैसे आपको उनको डिलीट करना है, आपने गलती से डिलीट कर दिया है तो कैसे कंट्रोल Z करके उनको आप रिकॉल कर सकते हो, कैसे कंट्रोल Y करके रीडू कर सकते हो, आप उनको आप दोबारा हाइड कर सकते हो या रिमूव कर सकते हो। इसके अलावा इसके अंदर हम और भी कई फीचर हम ऐड करने जा रहे हैं फ्यूचर के अंदर, तो वो हम आपको टाइम टू टाइम बताते रहेंगे। तो मैं अब आपको मैं चाहूँगा कि आप हमारी इस वीडियो को आगे देखें और समझें कि कैसे सर्किट ड्रा को आपने यूज़ करना है। इन केस स्टिल आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम रहती है, कोई क्वेरी आपकी है, तो आप मेरे को कॉल कर सकते हैं, व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं अपना मैसेज, या थ्रू ईमेल में से आप बात कर सकते हैं। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक्स जो आपको हम अब इसमें एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। थैंक यू। लेट्स नाउ explore the properties of CircuitPro. Go to File, New Circuit Design. This is the canvas of the CircuitPro. On right hand side you see the drawing tool. This drawing tool has different shapes: line shape, rectangle shape, triangle shape, circle shape, arc shape and pie shape, and also text. So when you want to draw a line, select shape line. On the canvas, click upon the starting point. If this is not a desired line, press Ctrl Z. Again click line. Select the starting point, finishing point. This is your line. Save it. So now you can copy this line. First of all, you see a small rectangle on this line. This is the selection rectangle. Whenever you want to change the properties of any shape, you have to click upon this rectangle, small rectangle or small point. And after to select it, after selection you can change its properties. Like, see, we click here and you see line here. So we have selected it. Now we will change its color to red. Update. Now we will select this line again. Copy and paste. Save. We will select it. We will change its color to blue. Update. This is blue. Now again select it from keyboard. Control C to copy it, Control V to paste it. To change its color to RYB, we will change the color of the second line to blue, yellow. RY. Update. I will save it. One more line is required for neutral. Click, copy, paste. Make it black. Update it. Save it. You can have a spare line. Copy. Control V. You can place it here at the bottom for other uses. So these are the 4 lines we have drawn on the screen, on the canvas. If you want to change the thickness, you can change the thickness also. Click here, change the thickness to 2. This way you can change the thickness to 2. Same way you can draw a rectangle, you can draw filled rectangle, you can draw circle, filled circle, This triangle is for symbol tool only, arc is for symbol tool only, pi is for single tool symbol tool only. Save it. Now you want to change the color of this rectangle. Click, select it, change the color to green. Changed. Saving. You want to delete. Delete it. Save it. So this way you have seen the features like change of color, change of thickness of a line of a shape, color change, deletion. You want to move it. So this way you can draw different shapes on the canvas and change their properties. In the next section, I will show you electrical symbols and how to use those symbols for CircuitPro. Thank you. Now let us see how to use electrical symbols. Again, go to File, New, Circuit. This is your canvas. On right hand side you see drawing tool. On the top you see this drop down menu. It shows all the electrical symbols it has. ACB, ammeter, auxiliary like contactor, capacitor, electric motor, earthing, hooter, indicator, MCB, MCCB, motor, OLR, power factor meter, PLC, push button, selector switch, terminal block, timer, transformer, voltmeter, etc. So whichever symbol you want to add to your circuit, just click upon that. Like this ACB, all the ACBs available in this tool. If you click upon the ammeter, ampere meter is displayed here. Indicators, different indicators, these you can use in your circuit. MCB, these are the MCB available here. Then MCCB, so first of all let us add one breaker. This is ACB. This is a 3-pole ACB. Select it and move it to the canvas area. Save it. Electrical symbols. Save. Now this is for horizontal lines. Save. So this is a 3-pole ACB where the lines are vertical. This is a ACB 3-pole ACB where the lines are horizontal. I will show you how in the next part section while we will make a circuit. So this now if you want to add a meter, click here, click, and this you have added a meter here. This is locked. Its movement is locked. Press U on the keyboard. You unlock. Now you can move it. You can save it. Control S. Now you see the capacitor. This is a single phase capacitor. Save it. This is the 3-phase capacitor. Save it. Then earthing. These are different earthings depending upon on which side of a motor you want to connect it. From right hand side, from left hand side, in the center, you can select any of these options. Then you see the fuse. These are different types of fuse: single pole, 3 horizontal, vertical. Unlock it. It is already unlocked. Put it here. Save it. MCCB. 4-pole MCCB, selected it, bring it here, save it. So this way you can load any of the symbol. All the option would be displayed here: single pole, double pole, triple pole, 4-pole, and other features also. You can select the symbol as per by clicking upon that on that particular symbol, and you can insert that in on the canvas area. You can move it to the canvas area. This symbol is for when you are making a plate. I'm just moving it. This is a 3-pole MCCB. Same way you want to add OLR, overload relay, 3-pole, single pole, unlock it, press U. This is your OLR. Save. So this way you can add electrical symbols to your circuit. You can also add along with this lines also, hide it. If you want now, if you want to add line, you can add line also. Suppose this is my starting point, this is my finish point. I'm going to save it. I select copy, paste, again copy, paste, again copy, paste, right? Save. So I move this breaker. This is a 3-pole breaker on this horizontal lines. See, like this. Save it. Now you move this line a little bit upside. You see, move this line a bit upside. So this way, how you can add symbols to your lines. You want to change the color of the lines. Again, select this line, change its color to red. Select the second one, change its color to yellow. This is your third line, change its color to blue. Update. See, so RYB. You have drawn 3 lines RYB, and upon these lines you have put a ACB, 3-pole ACB. So this way you can start using your shapes, line and electrical symbols, and you can start drawing your electrical circuits. In the next section, I will show you how to draw a circuit. Thank you. In this section, we will draw a DOL starter. To start with, go to File, New, Circuit. This is circuit canvas. First of all, we will draw lines. Move it. Save it. Select it, copy, paste, save it, select it, copy, paste. Copy paste by using your keys Control and C and Control and V. Save. So let us now change the color. As we are going to draw a power circuit of a dual starter, so we will keep the thickness of wire as 3. And this is red. Update. Three. Y. Update. Thickness 3 or YB. Yeah, blue. Update. And black will remain black, being neutral. And otherwise we can, of course we can change the thickness of this wire. Update. Save it. Now we will draw vertical lines. From here to here. Save. This is, let us copy it. Control C, Control V. Save it. Control C, Control V. Again. This is blue. Change it to blue. Save it. This is yellow. Make it yellow. Update. So you have drawn our power lines R, Y, B. Now this is a little bit. Now we will add MCCB. We will start 3-pole MCCB. We have to add on vertical lines, so we will select this MCCB. Save it. Move it a little bit left. Move it a little bit left. Then we will add contactor. Here we will add only the contactor contacts, not the coil. So we select the contacts only. Unlock it. Save. Now add OLR, overload relay, 3-pole. And this will unlock it. Color of this line has changed. No problem. Let us make it red first. Save it again. Now we will add a motor. There are 2 options of adding a motor. You can use circle, a shape, to add the motor, but also you can get this motor from electrical symbols also, but I will use circle, black circle. make it, save it, make 125, 125. Sorry. Make 125. Save it and move it upwards like this. Now select R, lock it, lock the moment, select R, reduce its height, save it, select yellow, save it, select blue, reduce the height, you can, if you want to reduce the dia of the motor, you can do it, make 100. Now we can write motor inside the circle, make it black and click enter. Change the color of the text, black, save it. Now add earthing, this one, save it. This is our power circuit. Now we have to draw control circuit. This is our MCCB. This is our contacts. This is OLR. This is electric motor, RYB. Now we will draw schematic, SLD, make it line, save it. You can copy it from like this also, paste, save it. Now you can move it a little bit upside here, one more vertical line from here, save it, select it, reduce the height, place your contactor coil now. You can draw a rectangle also, that is your choice. Unlock it. Save it. Now start auxiliary contact. Auxiliary contact to hold the coil. Unlock. Save it. Then one NC contact. This is the NC contact. Save it. Then push buttons. Start push button. Save. Then stop push button. Then control fuse, protection fuse. Unlock it. So you need now small lines to connect this and this holding auxiliary contact and the push button, start push button. Hide it, make it black. Small lines from here to here. Save it. Copy paste spare line. Copy paste. Bring it here. Reduce the width. Save. Save. So this is our start push button. This is the holding contact of this contactor. This coil belongs to this contactor contacts. Now this is our off push button. This is our off auxiliary contact. Now this is our SLD. This wire is not required. You can delete it. Yes, delete it, save it. And now you can move this wire here. Save it. Now if you want to add text, you can add text also. on off schematic. See, schematic power CIR circuit and sets fonts bold black. Suppose you want to copy this dual starter, you can press M. This will convert to red. From here, select, right click, copy, paste, and move the components. This is how you can copy the complete dual starter and save it. You have to press save button 2 times. Motor is not copied, no problem. Click, copy, paste. Save it. Motor, make it black. Bold, click, move it here. Serial motor, save it again. So you have drawn one starter and you have copied all the components using your selection tool. You press M and select the components you want to copy and paste. This way you can add as many starters as you want, 1 2 3 4 5, as you wish. So this is our dual starter plus control circuit. This push button is NO, it should be NC. Remove it, delete, save. Again go to push buttons. We will select auxiliary contact. Unlock it, duplicate here, and save it. So this is our dual starter. We have drawn a dual circuit using our CircuitPro. Same way you can draw any type of circuit. And if you want to give a heading of this circuit, you can write D, make it black first, DOL starter, make it 25, bold, enter, and you can place it here. Save it. So you can add other lines also, like M for motor, contactor name, contactor capacity. Here you can write the text and give the specifications of all the components if you wish, like that. So this is our DUR circuit diagram. In the next section, I will explain you how to create symbols, electrical symbols. Okay, thank you. If you want to add numbering to the wires, you can add, like, click insert circuit numbering. This is a circuit numbering tool. If you want to add only alphabet, say L or L1, so write only one, insert, click, 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 right, like this. Save it. And you also want to give numbering here. You want to make, don't write anything, make it 100, insert, like this. So this way you can give any numbering to your circuit. 103, 104, 5, 6, like this, and you can save it. If you want to remove all this numbering, you just click this button, all the numbering would be removed.